Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. This video I will show you how to edit and delete the custom friend list on Facebook. Log into the Facebook. Click on See More in the left column. Choose Friends List from the options. In my previous tutorial, we have seen how to create a custom friend list. Click on the custom friend list you want to edit. And we can see a mini newsfeed of posts made by our friends in these lists. If you want to edit your list, rename it or delete the list, click on the down arrow next to Manage List showing in the top right corner. First, I want to rename the list. Enter a name for this list. Click on Save and we got a new name for this list. Next, if you want to remove a specific friend from this list, again click on Manage List. This time please select Edit List. Then it will open the edit window. We can remove the friends from this list by clicking on small cross showing on top right of profile picture and click on finish. After this, just refresh the page and the friend names will be deleted from this list. Similarly, if you want to delete this list, come to Manage List and click on Delete List. Then we will get a notification. When you delete a list, the same people can still see any post you shared with this list in the past. Deleting a list cannot be undone, but you can create a new list and add the same people and pages. If you are okay with this, simply click on Delete List. There is another way to delete these lists. Come to Friend List. Click on the gear icon showing next to that friend list and select Delete List. Again we will get the same notification. I want to delete this list and the list will be successfully deleted. And if you want to unfollow any of your friends, click on three dots. From the options, please select snooze friend for 30 days. So temporarily it will stop seeing the post. Come to contacts in these lists. If we click on a profile picture, automatically we will be directed into their timeline. Like this, we can edit and delete the custom friend lists on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.